Alright, so this problem is quiz 2, and it's quiz 1. This doesn't necessarily mean that when you look at quiz 2, that's problem 2. This is from the test review, remember. Quiz 1, section quiz 1, and then problem 2. So you have this problem, and you have this problem. So let's go back and look at the first problem. I'm going to rewrite this, and I'm going to say I don't know what this is equal to. So 6 to some question mark equals 1 over 5, the square root of 36. Two things to look at here. I know that some of you learned that the base is the base. It just stays the base. It's kind of hard to read. And then what you're going to do is, so this drops down as the base, and then you kind of change these two. If you have Miss Burley, that's what she teaches you. That's fine if you want to do it that way. If you have Miss Losnick, she teaches you the circle method. So the base stays the base. We both agree on that. That's how we start. And then I just go around in a circle. Go away from you as far as you can, and then come back to you. So 6 stays the base. What's the next thing in the circle? The question mark. So that becomes the exponent. And then your final result is the last part of your thing. Any way is fine for me. What I'm going to do is I'm going to keep this idea of this base here, 6 to something I don't know. And I need to turn this into somehow how it has a base of 6. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to rewrite this as 6 squared. 36 is 6 squared. So then I'm going to have 6 to the question mark equals 1 over. Now I can rewrite the 5th root of 6 squared as 6 to the 2 over 5. Remember, that's how you change from roots to exponents. Oh, this is a question mark. Sorry. So 6 to what I don't know is equal to, now it's almost the same except for my 6 is in the denominator. So in order to bring it to the top, I have to make it a negative. And then, so in order for these to be equal, the question mark has to equal the exponent. So what's my question mark? Negative 2 over 5. So what is this equivalent to? Or if it said evaluate, it would equal negative 2 over 5. So let's look at the next one. A couple of things that you can just kind of know, that this e to the ln is 1/5. That's really just 1/5. This ln e here, they actually just kind of cancel each other out, the e and the log base e. However, if I wanted to look at this, I could also say e to the question mark is equal to, oops, I'm sorry, that's wrong. The base stays the base, so log e, I do the circle, so go up across to the other side of the equal sign of the question mark is equal to, and finish up close by, log base e to the 1 over 5. In order for these two things to be equal to each other, well, what is here and here must be equal. So the question mark is equal to 1 over 5. So once again, when you evaluate this, this is equal to 1/5. Here's the short way to just do it, just to kind of know it, or here is the explanation of why this is the correct answer.